Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back for my post-market wrap-up on this lovely day, Thursday, May 31st, 2018. A couple things I want to talk about. I guess I'll start off with this. I stand corrected. It seems that there are quite a few of you here, and I got slammed with emails and comments from people today who took real issue when I touched on the topic of prison reform. Now, it's no secret that, well, let me put it this way. It seems that there are many of you out here that truly believe that Trump really needs to be tapping Kim Kardashian for head of the Justice Department reform pump. I mean, that's the only way I can think of it. But, look, I'm all for the pump as well. The pump for reform, any kind of reform that benefits us all, I think is a good thing. So, he can tap all these pretty ladies, for all I'm concerned, for heads of whatever departments he wants to, for all kinds of, people to head those departments. I think it's really important. Anyway, with that said here, look, here's the truth of the matter. The truth of the matter is pretty simple here. I think this is a joke, in my opinion. It's really the truth why he would choose this. I think it's some kind of a publicity stunt or really. So a lot of you took this whole thing seriously, but I'll tell you what is serious and got almost no coverage today, and this is the issue with the German banks. Deutsche Bank, more specifically. This bank has a presence in like 60 countries, one of the largest by assets on the planet Earth, and it's in trouble here. And why it's not getting the coverage I think it deserves, why it should be pretty obvious to you. It's pretty obvious to me as well. The illusion must be kept real. Now, speaking about the illusion that must be kept real, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the stock market was all over the freaking place today. I was in and out of 4 positions today. I was up 200 at one point, down 1,200. I finished the entire day down $43. So I had quite a day. Wouldn't you say? It's kind of fun and some sick, twisted reality in my own head. Bonds didn't do too much today. I want to talk about that in a second. Dollar kind of flat. Metals did lose a little bit here in the face of all the action that's going on here. So here's the situation. We understand that there's these new tariffs that are going to be instituted. Does it really matter? Does the sell-off today in the market really matter? No, I'll tell you why. In my opinion, once again, I'm going to go right back to what I've been explaining to you. If they can control the bond market, and bonds didn't do anything today, that 10-year yield is well below the red line that I don't like talking about. The dollar is weaker. These are stock market positives. This is going to get shook off, in my opinion, just like everything else. I mean, as long as they can keep people distracted with the summit now between Trump and Kardashian and whatever the heck else they want to throw at people, people go nuts. They absolutely went nuts today. I got more comments about the Kardashian thing than about anything else. Well, personal ones, people sending me messages. People got fired up about it. Oh, but they don't care about, anything else. It's so incredible how you can see me, because I'm on this side, the distraction working. People get all fired up about this whole thing with the Kardashian woman, but they don't care about what's going on with regard to another debt crisis or a possible, contagion across the banking sector. No. They don't even want to hear about that. They want to hear about the Kardashians. Yeah. Well, there you go. So, people, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this little segment here. You know, seriously. And we will resume the festivities in the morning. See that?